Hello everyone, a very good morning to all of you. Welcome to Jatadhara Educational Technology. I am Tripti and we are here for a morning maths class. So children, let's get started with our today's maths class. I hope you are able to see the screen now. Perfect. Children, before we start, let me tell you we are live on YouTube. Kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get regular updates. Also, you can make use of the live chat box, which is under the live video. So you can give answers there, or if you have any questions regarding the topic, you can ask me there. I'll be very much happy to help you. So let's start with our today's maths class. All right, perfect. So it's visible. All right, dear children, let's discuss fractions of fractions. We did that yesterday also. Today we have different kinds of questions. So let's see what are they. Half of class of 30 students are in maths class. Half of the class of 30 students are in maths class. One third of the remaining are in English class. Remaining are in Hindi class. How many are in English class? My God. So we need to find out. Okay, so here 30 students. Okay, it's written half of the 30 students are in maths class. So I separated it. Half are in maths class. Half of 30 is equal to half of 30 of means times half of 30 is 15. 15 are in maths class. Okay, one third of remaining. So if 15 are in maths class, 15 are remaining. Now, out of the remaining, one third of remaining are in English class. That means I will divide it into three parts. This is the remaining part actually. Yeah. So one third of the remaining are in English class. Remaining are in Hindi class. Okay. So if I say one third of remaining half. So one third of remaining half is 15, which is equal to 5. So one third I can say in English class. That means 5 students are in English class. And how many are left now? The left number of students are 15 minus 5, which is 10. 10 students are in, like this is for Hindi. Okay, these two boxes. 5 and 5, which makes 10 here. Okay, that's how you have to do it. Easy question. Let's do the next one. Half of class of 50 students are playing cricket. 1/5 of remaining are watching. Remaining are in the class. How many are in the class? I'm giving you time. Please try to do it. Okay, half of class of 50 students are playing cricket. Let's see how many are playing cricket. 50 students have made a box for them and half of 50 is 25, right? So 25 students are playing cricket. 1/5 of the remaining we know, if 50 out of 50, 25 are playing cricket, that means remaining are 25. So the remaining ones are watching. 1/5 of the remaining, 1/5, that means I will divide this remaining in 5 parts. 1/5 of the remaining are watching. Okay, so let's see, 1/5 of 25, that means 5 are watching. Okay, so you have to like, next question is remaining are in the class. Okay, so students that are in the class, we know that 25 minus 5, which are watching, the leftover students are 20. That means 20 students are in the class, right? These many students are in the class, 20, these 4 options. 20 students are in the class. Easy? Yeah. So moving on to the next question. Let's see this. 1/3 of class of 60 students are in maths class. Half of the remaining are in science class. Rest are in Telugu class. How many are in Telugu class? Come on, do it. Come on, everyone. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, so 1/3 of class of 60 students. These are 60 students. If I'll divide it into 3 parts, okay, the lines are not straight, but yeah. So 1/3 of class of 60 students. That means how many students? I can write 60 as 3 times 20 in the denominator 3. That means 20 students. 20 students are in maths class. 20 students are in maths class. Okay. Half of remaining. Now, how many are remaining? If 20 are in maths, remaining students are 60 minus 20, which is equal to 40 as of now. Half of remaining are in science class. So if I have to find for science class, science is half of remaining. Half of remaining is 40. So that means it is 20. 20 are in science class. And the rest of them are in Telugu. Okay, SCINC, and it's written rest in the Telugu class. So how many are remaining? Rest of them are in Telugu. That means 20 are in Telugu class. Okay. That means 1/3 of 60 is 20, which are in maths class. Half of remaining in science class, that is 20. Half of 40 is 20. And the remaining ones are obviously 20. Because 20 in maths, 20 in science, out of 60 minus 40 is 20. Okay. I hope you got the right answer. Okay, let's move on to the next one. One third of class of 90 students are in maths class. One third of remaining are in science class. Rest in Telugu. How many in Telugu? Question is same, but the fractions are different. Do it. Okay, so let's try this. One third of class of 90 students. Okay, so I'll divide it again into three equal parts. Okay, so here three equal parts, which is not looking like equal, but yeah, three equal parts. So one third of class of 90 students are in maths class. So if I have to find for maths class, one third of 90. One third of 90. Okay, that means 30 students are in maths class. One second. Yeah. So one third of 90 is 30. One third of remaining are in science class. Now, how many are remaining? If 90 are there, 90 are there and 30 are in maths class, that means how many are remaining? 60 are remaining. This portion is remaining. Yeah. It says one third of remaining in science class. So if I talk about science class, one third of remaining is one third of 60. That means 20. 20 students are in science class. And it says rest in Telugu. Okay. So here 30 plus 20 is 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. 40 students. 40 students are in Telugu class. Because 13 maths, 20 in science. Okay, because we can say one third if one third of remaining are in science class, that means two third of the remaining. I can do it by other way also. Two third of remaining 60 here. So I can do like 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. Here I'll get 40. 40 students are in science class. Oh, sorry, 14 Telugu, right? So either way is correct. Either you can find the remaining fraction two-third or just add the maths and science class students and subtract from the total you will get for the Telugu class. Let's go to the next question. Two-third of herd of 150 sheep are grazing. Half of the remaining are relaxing under the tree. One-fifth of remaining are drinking water in pond. How many sheep are drinking water? Come on. Come on, be quick. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, 2/3 of herd of 150 sheep. Okay, here I will do 2/3 of herd of 150 sheep are grazing. Okay, let's see how many are grazing. 3 5s are 50, 50 here, and 2 50s, 100. That means 100 sheep are grazing. It says half of the remaining. First, we need to find the remaining number of sheep. Remaining are total 150 were there. Remaining are 150 minus 100. That is equal to 50. So remaining are 50. Half of remaining are relaxing under tree. So if I say the ones who are relaxing, they are half of remaining. Remaining are 50. So what is half of remaining? So a half of remaining is 25. 25 are relaxing. Okay. 100 are grazing, half of the remaining are relaxing. That means 25 are relaxing under a tree, and 1/5 of remaining are drinking water. Oh my God. Okay. So we need to find the 1/5 of the remaining. Now, remaining are 50. 1/5 of the remaining drinking water. So it's written 1/5 of the remaining. 1/5 of remaining were 50 of remaining, that is 50, are drinking water. So it's like 10. 10 are drinking water. How many sheep are drinking water? 10. Okay. All right, everyone. Let's move on to the next question. A student brought 100 apples to school on his birthday. Half of them he distributed in class. 2/5 of remaining he gave to the teachers. How many are remaining? Okay, a student brought 100 apples to the school. Let's see. Okay, this is not the one. Wait a second. All right. Okay, so a student brought 100 apples to the school on his birthday. Half of them he distributed in the class. So how many apples did he distribute? It said half of what he got. So it is half of 100. Okay, half of 100 is 50. That means these many apples he distributed in the class. Okay, for the next one, 2/5 of the remaining. Now, how many are remaining? If out of 100, if out of 100, he distributed 50, that means 50 are remaining. Next line says 2/5 of remaining he gave to the teachers. So how many apples did he give to the teachers? Let's see. 2/5 of remaining. 2/5 of 50. So 5 tens are 50, 2 tens are 20. That means 20 apples he gave to the teachers. Now it says how many are left. If 50 he distributed, 20 he gave to the teachers, that means 70 are done. So out of 100, minus 50 plus 20, that means equal to 100 minus 70, 30. That means 30 are remaining. Yeah, 30 are remaining. So that's how you have to do it. And that's it for our today's class, dear children. I hope you understood whatever we have done. Thank you so much for joining the session. I hope you enjoyed and learned what we did. Bye-bye. I'll see you in the next class. Take care and have a good day ahead.